Hello guys, welcome 2021. New Year wishes to all the viewers. 2021, I hope it brings everyone the best of what life can offer. 2021 is numerologically important because the sum of the total numbers is 5, which represents change. And since we are all shifting into the 5D consciousness, we can see that most of the people around us are using their intuition, their telepathic abilities, and psychic gifts more than ever before. And this was a moment that we were all waiting for years of time, as people have shifted from focusing on money, power, and control from the age of Pisces to being in brotherhood, harmony, and unity with the community as we move into the age of Aquarius. That is an excellent progress when it comes to the shifting of the consciousness of the planet and collective consciousness as a whole. Now, I was planning to introduce services for remote ethereal crystal healing. So I thought I would introduce it today, being the 1st of January 2021. I would like to explain to you what are the different concepts of remote ethereal crystal healing uh, today on this video. Now, before coming to the healing part, I would like you to bring awareness into the topics which I have discussed earlier also, especially there are soul groups who want more information about past life regression and karmic healing, as there are differences between the need of doing a normal causal healing, which involves clearing of your past life karma, but those people does not require past life regression as such. By going into a deep hypnosis session with a past life regressionist, or consulting people like us for taking past life readings, if there is a normal uh, block or a difficulty or a repeated cyclical pattern that is not in harmony with your current living conditions, then that means there is a friction or a disharmony with your uh, cause and effect or karma in the particular journey of the soul for the your lifetime you are currently living. Now we can do we don't need to go deep into doing past life regression if you are facing a friction or a disharmony in a particular life situation. We just need to do causal healing in order to resolve karma from that particular issue that you are facing. You basically need to integrate the lesson by learning the mistakes you have done, or by forgiving others for the mistakes they are repeating to you to cause patterns in your life. This is called as causal patterning. And in order to do causal patterning, we can do causal healing to resolve the karma from the previous lifetime. But for that matter, we need not go and visit the Akashic records, which stores the entire soul's spiritual blueprint for all lifetimes. Now, the Akashic records are basically outside of time or space, and it is not showing the mere three-dimensional existence of a physical lifetime which you feel because the time is linear. But your soul has a spiritual blueprint which encompasses of all the lifetimes you have lived and the concurrent lifetimes that you are going to live in the planet. That is in the fifth dimensional consciousness. Because it is outside of time and space, the Akashic records represent the totality of your spiritual blueprint of the soul. And for doing causal healing or to integrate a specific lesson, to convert it as a learning and move away from it towards the timeline you require in life, we need not do the Akashic records reading or past life reading or doing past life regression. This was a question asked by a soul group, so I just thought of clarifying that before coming into explaining how do we do this ethereal crystal healing. Now, I was explaining about causal healing. Normally, we do causal healing with a crystal called as leopard skin jasper, and there are difficulties for people. First of all, to get a proper stone, because mostly it may the stone that you may get in hand may not be the actual stone, because a lot of fake stones come in the market nowadays. And not only that, people, there were a couple of soul groups who had recently contacted me from the Nordic region, saying that they have been gifted with a ruby record keeper crystal. And there are people who can go and visit their Akashic records with the help of these record keeper crystals on their own. And this is some soul journey which every individual can pursue on their personal space and understand what the spiritual blueprint of the soul is for the current lifetime, because there will be lot of karmic contracts that the soul has to undergo in a specific lifetime of ours, and that includes the relationship contracts that we have, the education or the career we had, and the spiritual teachings, the illnesses or accidents we have faced, and everything is part of the spiritual blueprint of the soul. The difficulty of the third dimension physical body is that whatever the crystalline soul holds as consciousness, it is difficult for our physical body to encompass in one specific lifetime. That is why people have multiple incarnations or several lifetimes. Now, if you go to past life regressionists or therapists, you can do hypnosis or past life readings with them, or we can do the tarot spreads, and with the help of spirit keeper tarot we can identify one or two lifetimes, one significant lifetime and a immediately previous lifetime which is hold being stored in your cellular memory often. Up to two lifetimes we do during past life readings, and mostly this past life regression is they do for up to 6 lifetimes, and you might get in detail those information from your previous lifetimes where you have faced lot of trauma, sufferings or difficulties or homelessness, illnesses, accidents, or even betrayal or famines, wars or slavery, genocides, or anything that was there in the consciousness of the planet Earth itself. Because those things, if you go deep into, it will be like understanding why the transmigration of the soul, even as plants or animals or as crystalline beings, why the soul reincarnates and do a transmigration journey. It will, for those people and for people who want to know more about their own selves, those people can go for past life readings or past life regression. And the best way to start with is, as one of my soul groups asked me how to meditate with a ruby record keeper crystal. The best way to do that is to seek the help of crystals for starting the past life awakenings journey with the help of these crystals. Now I thought of introducing ethereal crystal healing because of helping more soul groups with the consciousness that the crystal holds as part of my own mission in the planet. And when we do ethereal energy transfer, it is like Reiki energy which we are sending out of time and space. We basically send this energy with the help of the mineral deva of the specific crystal energy that we need to send to the recipient. Now, for example, you need to start awakening your past life memories or read your Akashic records, and you don't have the physical stone with you. What you can do is you can just send an email to me. We can send you the ethereal crystal energy for, say, for example, Lemurian starseed crystal, which will help you in reading your Akashic records or accessing your past life records. And one, we can do that over time or space. We can send the remote energy with the help of the crystal deva associated with the particular crystal. Now, for example, you need to access your future timeline, then we can send the healing energy with the help of the trigonic crystal record keeper mineral deva. Now there are different things for which this healing energy can be sent, because since it is transferred through ether, we can send it to your chakras or even your internal body organs, which will result in healing like Reiki. A Reiki practitioner sends distant remote healing energy over time or space. Like sitting here, I can send Reiki energy for a person who sits in a hospital, or even I can send it to a future timeline. Suppose he has, say, diagnosed with cancer, I can send the Reiki energy to heal the body part so that he doesn't get a repeated attack of the same disease again in a future timeline. So that way it is bidirectional. We can send to this particular healing energy into a past timeline or a future timeline. That is the advantage of sending ethereal crystal healing energy remotely, because you don't have to go and buy the physical stone, which might be expensive to get. It might be difficult to get also, because certain crystals like trigonic record keepers, they are very difficult to purchase also. But there are stones which people, soul groups, have already got as gifts or as collection, and for those soul groups I am already counseling them to help on how to awaken their past life memories. And other than accessing Akashic records, there is one more place where this ethereal crystal healing energy can be used. That is for clearing your chakras and balancing them. Now we do aura reading sessions. Now when we read aura, we identify the holes, aura holes, or the places where the aura layer needs to be purified or cleansed. Now suppose you have a problem with your emotional layer, we can detect from the reading of your aura. You just need to send us a photograph and we can detect the color of the aura, and based on the color we can identify whether you have any faults or holes or defects in your mental layer, emotional layer, or the physical layer of the aura. Now suppose you have a problem with the emotional layer, we can send the ethereal remote crystal healing energy of citrine or carnelian. Since it is emotional layer, we can send the healing ethereal healing energy of carnelian to help you clear your emotional layer. and that can be done remotely over time or space. So you will receive the healing energy, and that can fix your emotional layer of the aura. Suppose you have a faulty physical layer of the aura, then we need to fix your solar plexus. We can send the citrine uh, essence as ethereal remote crystal energy, and you can fix your physical layer of the aura by receiving that. Only thing is that you need to be open to receive communication to us. Once you send us for a request, this is done as free. You can ask us, you can basically send us a photograph and receive the aura readings and the uh, ethereal crystal energy healing also along with it, to fix your defects in aura. Now you have a problem in your spiritual layer of the aura, then we'll be sending you amethyst remote ethereal crystal energy healing along with the aura reading. And you need to basically be open to receive the energy healing from us, and you will be able to fix the spiritual layer. So any problems with the spiritual, physical or emotional layers of the aura, or suppose you have additional problems that we have found, and that we can do by doing a personal reading. We can do that with spirit keeper tarot. Suppose you have a uh, karmic healing or a causal healing to be done, to integrate a specific soul lesson into your life by accepting the situation and forgiving others for that. Sometimes what happen is there will be repeated imprints of your trauma or other karmic patterns from past lifetimes, and it is not only due to your personal karma or the planet's karma. It could be there will be certain karmic debris saved in the planet due to the families or the communities also, which is called as ancestral karma. It is not that you as a person would have tried doing something negative in this lifetime, but karma is not just what you are doing right now, because that is what your soul's spiritual blueprint is, and it holds the consciousness or the totality of all the lifetimes that you are supposed to incarnate in the planet. And there will be always a karmic debris coming from the planetary karma, which is like people have been doing slavery, genocides, wars, and the planet itself has reacted to those bad karma by giving famines, floods, wildfires, and now COVID. I mean, there will be a karmic resurrection in the planet done by the earth itself because of the collective karma. And your personal karma and collective karma is separate from what your ancestral karma is. The ancestral karma is the collective karma, or what your family and the communities have been doing so far, and you might not hold responsible for that because that is not your personal karma, but that is something called as ancestral trauma or ancestral patterning, which will be saved in your root chakra, your belly chakra. It could be saved in your genetic blueprint, it could be saved in your DNA also. So that is why I have taken an earlier session on how do we awake our 12 strands of DNA to our ancestral blueprint, not the ancestors who are about 100 years or 200 years old, but once you do the transmigration of the soul, it could be 800 or 2000 years or even 5000 years back, right from the age of the Atlantis, or it could be understanding that we are all multidimensional beings, and it is not just the earth has gone or shifted its frequency into the 5D, but everyone needs to be aware of the fact that there will be collective karma to be addressed other than personal or family karma. And accessing Akashic records is required when a person want to find more about the troubles or the patterning that is caused due to a disharmony or a difficulty in integrating a lesson from this lifetime. That is the time when we need to do causal healing. And if you require causal healing, we can send the leopard skin jasper, which is an excellent stone. We can send the ethereal frequency as remote essence. We can send that remotely to help you do the causal healing and integrate the lesson from your lifetime. And that is how you let go of the issue of the past and move into a future timeline which you want to choose, because there are concurrent lifetimes that you can see right now. This is the example of how when we shifted our frequency to 5D, people can see that you can live different lifetimes at the same point. Now the only thing is that you need to let go of the past, and unless you are in the 5D consciousness, you will not be able to let it go so easily. If there is difficulty in letting go of the past, then these stones are excellent for doing causal healing. And all this causal patterning is caused when you repeatedly save the same ancestral pattern over and over again in your cellular memory. And these imprints can be removed by using stones like blue kyanite or leopard skin jasper. And we can help you do the causal healing by sending the ethereal crystal frequency energy to you remotely. And if you want specific chakra issues to be addressed, we can say, for example, you have difficulties, or we need to remove your ancestral programming or patterning from the root chakra. We can send ruby crystal ethereal frequency to you. Suppose you have issues in your mental layer, then we can send citrine crystal ethereal frequency to your solar plexus to remove blocks in your mental layer. And suppose you want spiritual protection or clear your spiritual layer, then we can send malachite crystal ethereal frequency or amethyst crystal ethereal frequency. And this can be sent remotely just like Reiki energy, and you will feel a positive response by being open to receive the energy. This is being done totally free, and if you this can be done either through aura readings, or the healing is free, which we will be sending as remotely. We will be doing past life readings for people who want to find out more about the past life and try to uncover one lifetime or a significant lifetime. We'll offer 2 past life readings simultaneously. If you want to do causal healing, then we can find that out by doing 1 or 2 readings. That will be sufficient to understand what is the pattern that you are facing in your life right now, and we'll be able to help you with doing karmic healing or causal healing of karma. And this does not require a reading of the Akashic records, because Akashic records, it it will be saving all the lifetimes that you would have started living right from the beginning of time, and that is the collective information. So it is only required when you have a specific issue which you are unable to resolve for several years, and that is the reason people go and do past life regression, which involves finding minimum 6 or 7 lifetimes of yours, and that is a detailed session actually. Basic thing is that you can send your photographs for us to read your aura colors, and from the colors we will be able to find the defects or a faulty aura in you, and we'll be able to send you remote crystal ethereal healing energy to cleanse your aura and fix your chakras. And we can fix your karmic patterning or karmic defects by sending you the causal energy frequency of blue kyanite or leopard skin jasper for you to resolve any of your past life karma, and fix those lessons and integrate those lessons into your daily life, so that you won't get those repeated karmic patterns again. This is basically causal healing, and we are going to start that also from today. So I just wanted to explain to everyone about why we need to read Akashic records when we need to go for our past life readings, and when we need to go for our past life regression.